Hello and good evening. So I'm just going to do a quick little video to share with you about a little bit more about our new membership called Art Rave of the Month. So if you've painted with me before, you may have tried out Art Rave in a Box, which my intention for Art Rave in a Box was always to be a monthly subscription box, because I thought that would be so much fun to get a new Art Rave painting every month. So now I have finally created something that is similar to that. It's not a box, but it is a painting a month. Now, I eliminated the automatic box because a lot of people buy supplies and they don't need supplies every month. So Art Rave of the Month is an Art Rave painting that you automatically get every month in your email. You get to open your email, see a beautiful new painting, and then jump into the website and watch the video. So I'm going to show you the first 2 months, which I've completed by taking a classic Art Rave favorite, something that either Pat or myself has designed, and now I'm repainting it in this new video format, and I'm stepping it up a notch. Because when I paint on the video and I'm painting in my studio, I have a little bit more time to share with you a little bit more advanced techniques. So if you're a first-time painter, these are very easy paintings, so I'm confident that you can paint them. And if you've painted with us for a while, then you might have a little more skills under your belt, and you can still enjoy challenging yourself and adding a few more twists and turns to the paintings. So let me show you the first 2 paintings we have. The first one, which is coming up December 1st, is called Snow Goose. And Snow Goose, the original, was painted by Pat Gibble, and it's a gorgeous design. Let me get rid of this little, there we go. Okay, so this was Snow Goose, and you can see that it is absolutely beautiful and soft. The way she did the wreath was very simple, but effective. And the way she did the feathers was also very simple, and purposely she does them a little bit messy so that people can achieve the results and not feel like they're walking out of the restaurant defeated. So you can see very simple brush strokes can create this goose and a very simple wreath. So what I did is, and this is part of my plan with the whole Art Rave of the Month, is I'm painting it again and I'm giving it a little bit more. So this is the painting that is the Art Rave of the Month painting. It's the same design, but I've just given it a little bit more realism. So you can see on the wreath, I gave it just a little bit more stick twiggy kind of look. And I also showed a new technique on how to get the feathers looking a little bit more realistic, layering them a little bit, adding a little highlights to the edges and a little shadow to his tummy. And I got a little bit more detailed in his face just by adding a few little pops of gray and white. But I shared the whole process with you in the new video for the Art Rave of the Month. And this is the video that you would be getting in December 1st. Okay, and it's a beautiful painting to hang up throughout December or January or even February, or all year round if you are a nature lover. All right, so let me show you the next painting that I just finished in my studio this evening, and it's for January. So this is the painting that you would get January 1st, because it gives you the whole month of January to paint it, and then you'll have it just in time for Valentine's Day in February, when you want to, so you can paint it in January and then hang it in February. So this is a Art Rave favorite called Tree of Hearts. So this is the original, and I don't have the year that I painted it on the back, but it's probably painted 5 or 6 years ago. And we had this painting chosen for so many private parties. It's sold out in restaurants. It's just been a favorite all over the place. So I painted a new version of it, and this is what you're going to get on January 1st if you are an Art Rave of the Month. So this is the new version, and I really changed up the colors a lot to give it more of a vintage feel. So this is the new version for Art Rave of the Month, and you can see between the two it has a little bit more of a neutral or natural color palette, much warmer. And I added 2 little birds. You see the little doves that are coming in to land on the tree. And I deepened up the hill. I gave the hill a green. See how it's red right here? So this is just red and white. And there's a little bit of green in the sky. It's blue, mostly blue. But on this one, I gave it a nice deep dark hill, and I made the leaves sort of blowing and these dramatic background that I go through in the video and show you how to do it with a paper towel. It's beautiful. So this is for January 1st for Art Rave of the Month. So this is what I'm going to be doing every month in that membership. You'll get a new painting. The paintings are laid out on the website, so you can kind of get a preview of the designs, but it's going to be a surprise each month for how I'm going to change it up. And then if you are an Inner Circle member, this is included in your membership. So if you're an existing Inner Circle member, or you're thinking of joining that larger membership, you do get a lot more. This is included. So you'll have this with the other benefits of your Inner Circle membership. But if you just have maybe time for 1 painting a month and that's more your speed, then the Art Rave of the Month might be a great way for you to get back into painting and also to kind of step up some of your painting skills a little bit. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be posting these pictures on the page so you can see them side by side and see what I'm doing with this whole new Art Rave of the Month. All right, thanks guys. Have a great night. Bye.